So I've got my forge set up here. This is something I built way back in the day. It's just a brick box basically, but it's got a tube I've got hooked up to my blow dryer. And, got some charcoal cooking in there. This is the hardwood lumber. This is stuff that burns much hotter than regular charcoal. If you want to do any metal working, this is the stuff you got to use. I'm going to get these hot. I'm going to start farging at these hands, see if I can't get the hands of this little metal dude worked into shape. So I'm not an expert on backyard forging, but I just want to point out that I do have a bucket of water. Probably not even going to use it, but if I learned anything from Boy Scouts, it's that if you don't have a bucket of water, everyone that you know will die. So always, if you're going to do any backyard forging, definitely bring a bucket of water. Very important.
Forge I can, strong I am.
Hey guys, so here I'm working on forging out the hands. I wanted them to be one piece, and I wanted them to kind of wrap around and look like hands, through some kind of cartoony type shape. If you can remember my sketches from the last video, they look something like this. Sometimes less is more, and I just wanted them to communicate a kind of general shape. This little curved piece right here was also supposed to be one of the feet. I didn't end up liking how the shape turned out, and it didn't really seem to mesh with what I wanted the feet to look like in the end, so I ended up reforging the feet later on, so just forget that this piece exists.
Another quick note here, I cleaned up the wire pusher roller on my welder, and I plugged it into a different socket in my house that was less connected to a bunch of wires, so it actually ended up welding up things pretty nicely, and didn't really have to use the torch anymore, so that's a plus.